create a Fiverr account from scratch. Yes, guys, Fiverr has actually been a winner for most Nigerians, most Nigerian entrepreneurs, most freelancers have been able to use Fiverr to sell their skills and make a whole lot of money from them. Yeah, there's actually a whole lot of testimonies from people who have actually been able to use Fiverr, to better their lives. And this is what I'll be sharing with you guys today. But before we dive right in, I would really like to mention our winners for the WordPress website full mastery course. And if your name is on the screen here, just know you've actually won the access to that course. And if this is you, go ahead and shoot me a mail and I will give you access to that course. If you want to win this course, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and drop a comment below and make sure you share this video. And with that, you would actually stand a chance to win this WordPress website's full mastery course. Right? Yeah, so going back to creating a Fiverr account, like I said earlier, I'll quickly be jumping right into my laptop screen right now and be showing you guys a step-by-step process on how you can create your Fiverr account from scratch. Right? So if this is something you'd like to see, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share. And with this, let's dive right into my laptop screen now. Hi guys, so we're here on my laptop screen now, and this is the dashboard for Fiverr. All you need to do is to just go over to fiverr.com, fiverr.com, right? And once you're here, you can just walk down through the page and you see all they have in store for you, right? So like I said earlier, Fiverr is actually a place where people come in and buy or sell services, right? And you as a freelancer, you can actually come here to sign up and sell your services. You can see the different categories they have here, and it's actually for everyone, right? Out of all the skills they have there, you can get to come in and pick up one that really suits what you do, and you can get to sell your skills, people buy from you, and you earn money for yourself. So once you're here, the next thing you just have to do is to click on this button, join. And once you click on the button join, you can see that you can sign up using your Facebook account or your Google Mail, or even just impute your mail here, and that's it. So I'll quickly impute my mail, and next thing I'll do is to click on the continue button. And once I'm done, I will choose a username and a password. Alright, so when you're choosing a username, it's very cool to use a name that you would really want to use for a long time, because I don't think you have the option to change this name in a very long while, right? Yeah, so I'll just quickly put something that would really work. So okay, so I'll use that, and then this. So I'll click on the join button, and once I've done that, it should be loading up to open up the page. Yeah, guys, so you can basically see now that the the page here is opened, and you are in the Fiverr main dashboard. You can see all of the services that are open for you, right? You can see the editor's peak and everything. Alright, so quickly I've received a mail from Fiverr to activate my account, and that will be the next thing we'll be doing here. But walking through this particular homepage here, you have seen all the things that's available for you already. So you can see right here that it's saying you need to activate your account. It has been sent already. So I'll quickly go to my mail and activate my account, right? So this is my mailbox here, and you can see that they've actually sent me the mail. So what I'll basically do is to copy the link and come over down here, or you can just hit on the button, and once you hit on the button, it just opens up for you, right? So once I've loaded the link here, you can see that my account has been activated, right? So once your account has been activated, the next thing for you to do right now is you can see this message up here. It says account successfully activated. Hey, this is a great time to edit your profile, and that will be the next thing we'll be looking at doing here. So you click on the button edit your profile, so that we can go ahead and edit our profile, right? Yeah, so once you're here, the next thing to do is to just put your full name, and your email address is there already, and also go ahead to online status, put forever, right? So that it shows that you're online forever. make sure you actually put in your real name here, because so you don't get to have issues later on in future. Once you're done, you click on save changes, and we're going over to the next step, and it's saying go online. Okay. All right, so we are here now, and the next step you will have to choose. Okay, account deactivation. What happens when no, you don't have to, you have to skip this now, and we're coming over to the next step, right? So going through all of these stages one after the other, you can see that you have different options to edit your account, right? So once you've actually walked through all of this, all you need to do is just to come over to this particular section here, and you can see your profile. So we'll be looking at how to go ahead to edit our profile, right? So we'll click on this profile button here. Alright, so we are in this section now where you get to edit your profile, right? So the first thing you will have to do is asking you which option best describe you. I'm a business owner, you're a freelancer, you're an employee. What I'll basically choose here is I'm a freelancer, right? And what industry does the workplace belong to? So now you have to choose the industry that whatever you do belongs to, and you can see the various industries here. And for me, what I'll basically choose here is marketing, right? Yeah, this is it here, advertising, marketing, and PR. And once I'm done, I'll save the changes, right? So once it's saved, the next thing I'll have to do is to come over to the left section here, and first of all put a picture, right? You need to actually input a picture that is a little bit professional, so that it actually would help when you're engaging with people, right? So I'll go ahead and select a picture here. Alright, my picture is there already, and the next thing here is it's telling me to what's your story in one line, right? And once you actually ask for this, all you need to do is just to briefly write up a story about yourself, right? Because and you could just put your profile, right? What you want people to see, what you want people to know, right, about you. Alright, so it's done. And once I've actually done that, I've done that edit, I will come down here to edit description. Right now, this is where it's really gonna take a little bit of turn, and I'll be showing you a strategy on how you can get to edit this particular section. So for this section, all you have to do now is just to come up, and you get to put in a little bit description about yourself, right? Who are you, what do you do, or how many years of experience do you have, right? So you have to make sure that you actually put up something that whenever the audience or people wanting to buy your services read up, they get to want to make purchase from you, right? So quickly I'll just put up a brief description, and I would say I am and alright, so I just quickly edited my profile here, and once I'm done, I just click on update button, and after that you go ahead and choose language, right? Language is English, and I'll just leave it at English there, because that's what I speak. And the next thing here is to add your account. So you can quickly add up all of the accounts you want to add, whether Facebook or Google or other of them, right? So coming down here, you need to add your skills, right? Yeah, you need to add your skills. And when it comes to choosing your skills in Fiverr, you might actually have so much skills or so many skills, but then you have to drive it down to what you basically do, right? So quickly you can come in here and add skill 1, right? So let me put digital marketing expert level, and then I'll add up another one. Okay, I can add this suggestion to Facebook marketing here and expert, and then what else? SEO. Yeah, so this basically the 3 things that I would add in here. So you can go ahead to add as much as it actually covers whatever niche or whatever description or business sector that you are in at the moment, right? So once you're done with that, you can come in here and add your education. And once you've added your education, you can also add your certifications, right? You can actually add, as much as certification you've gotten. If you've taken online courses and you've gotten certification in different sectors, you can come here and add everything. Add the name, add which company or which institute actually certified you, and then add the year of which you got the certification, right? So I'll quickly do that, and once I'm done with that, I can just come up here and click on save changes again, so that I'm sure that all of these details have been saved, right? So quickly, this is basically how you get to create your profile on Fiverr as a new beginner, right? So the next step here is creating your first gig, right? And this will actually take its own turn too, and I'll also be walking you through how you can create your first. I would see you guys. Peace.